मुझे पहले भी PR में आया था, सो आया था। When he started working, that's my life, that's my life. पूरा एक जार है, it's very heavy also. Not the moisturizer, the tub is very heavy. This is the Swiss Beauty सबसे affordable concealer in the market, and also क्या आपको भी ऑटो की आवाज़ आ रही है? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Polly and today we're doing a full face of makeup with affordable products. ये जितने भी products मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, these fall in the range of 300 to 400. Some even start from 150, but 400 के ऊपर I think कुछ नहीं गया है अभी तक. And also none of these products are sponsored. मतलब हो सकता है कि इनमें से कुछ products मुझे brands ने पहले भेजे थे for ad purposes, but today whatever review I give is completely honest. This is my first proper talking वाला video, so let's start. Firstly मेरे पास कोई serum नहीं है जो affordable category में आता है, तो let's start with moisturizer. And this is the moisturizer that we have. This is the Hydra Gel moisturizer from Aqualogica and it is from the Glow Plus range. इसमें है papaya and vitamin C. इसको मैंने अभी तक खोला नहीं है because I was using मेरे दूसरे moisturizers. By the way, Dot & Key के भी moisturizers are very nice. Let's open this. This is a huge tub you can get for $3.99 only. Look at that jelly consistency, guys. Genuinely, I love the smell of this moisturizer. I cannot describe the smell. I am very bad at describing fragrances, but I think it smells like papaya, but not really. Papaya plus jasmine. Papaya plus jasmine plus citrus fruits, something like that. It smells really good though. Next for sunscreen we have the Dot & Key Blueberry Barrier Repair Sunscreen. Is if you don't want to have a very dewy look or a very matte look, this is right in between. ये वाला sunscreen by the way मैं रोज़ यूज़ करती हूँ for college. Not only this one, I use different sunscreens but this is one of them. Skincare is done. For foundation I used the Matte Look Cosmetics का foundation. These are two shades. ये एक beige है, एक natural है. मैं दोनों को mix करके लगाती हूँ. Basically I mix both the shades. These are not really my shade, my exact shade match, but I love the coverage that these foundations give, and also it is so glowy. इस वीडियो को एडिट करने के लिए मुझे अपने फ़ोन की सारी स्पेस खाली करनी पड़ेगी. One of my videos went viral on Instagram and everybody was asking me for the foundation. यही था वो वाला foundation. I don't think I need a concealer with this foundation because it's already so high coverage, but लगा ही लेती हूँ. This is the most affordable and good quality concealer you will find in the market. Blush में I am a huge fan of liquid blushes. Powder blushes भी मैं लगाती हूँ, but I rarely do a matte face. So this is my favorite go-to blush. I literally apply this every day to college. This is the Quick Cream Blush by Hilary Rhoda. This is so glowy and it's such a good formula. इस ट्यूब में आपको इतना प्रोडक्ट मिलता है. मैं एक पिंच प्रोडक्ट लगाती हूँ रोज़. I don't know how I will finish this, and the price is also very less. Pigmented, very pigmented. कैमरा पे तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है ब्लश. दिख रहा है क्या? मुझे नहीं लगता दिख रहा है, but real life में this is a lot. I don't know why my camera does not capture blush. The color pink it does not capture. You can get really good affordable eyeshadow palettes from Mars Cosmetics, Swiss Beauty, and inside I am forgetting. But for today the eyeshadow palette that I have is this Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette. The reason I chose this eyeshadow palette for today's video is because this has every color. Not every color, but this has some colorful eyeshadows and some neutral browns. Also it has blush or contour shades at the side. खुल जा. क्या करे ये जैसे कि रॉकेट पे उड़ना, मम्मी से लड़ना, आज पे तार पे चढ़ना, जो है ही नहीं उसका पता लगा. Then if you want good affordable eyeliners and kajal definitely get it from Swiss Beauty. Their kajals are amazing. ये वाला भी अच्छा है. I have one more. My favorite kajal from Swiss Beauty. I will show you. But this side you have the kajal. This is transfer proof. Once this dries up, there's no moving. And this side has the smudger. You can smudge your kajal with this side. And you can create a wing. I have created a wing with this smudger so many times. मतलब तुमको लगेगा कि बस तुम स्मज कर सकते हो इस साइड से, बट नहीं, इससे तुम विंग भी बना सकते हो एकदम स्ट्रेट वाली. तो आई लव दिस. आई लव हाउ जेट ब्लैक दिस साइड इज़. वेरी नाइस. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम स्विस ब्यूटी सिलेक्ट. सो आई थिंक द प्राइसिंग विल बी अ लिटिल मोर दैन नॉर्मल स्विस ब्यूटी का रेंज. दिस इज़ फ्रॉम नॉर्मल स्विस ब्यूटी. दिस इज द UNI पावर ब्लैक काजल. This does not come with a smudger, but the hack that I use for creating a winged liner effect with this, इसकी पहले लगाओ and then use your nail to drag it along. If you watch my reels or shorts, you will notice that I use this technique a lot. So this kajal is affordable. You can get it for waterline. I don't really use kajal for my waterline, but you can give it a try. I think this is also transfer proof. This does not smudge. If you want an eyeliner, a jet black eyeliner, then this is what I used today. This is the Hilary Rhoda Snappy Look Matte Eyeliner. This is also a jet black. The brush is fine. कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं. For mascara again I have this Swiss Beauty mascara. इसके मैंने एक बॉटल फिनिश करके थ्रो कर दिया है. ये मेरा सेकंड बॉटल है. मेरे पास थर्ड बॉटल भी आया है. इफ़ नो वन टेक्स इट फ्रॉम योर, इफ़ आई डोंट गिव इट अवे और इफ़ आई डोंट गिफ्ट इट अवे, then I'll probably finish this and then use the third one also. This is very nice for the price that they're selling this in. कुछ मस्काराज कैसे होते हैं, कोई एक आपको वॉल्यूम देगा, कोई एक आपको लेंथ देगा, या आपको दोनों देगा. ये एक तो आपके लैशेस को क्लम्प अप नहीं करेगा. ये लिप लाइनर मैंने लिया था फॉर 50 और 60 रुपीज़. आई बॉट इट फ्रॉम द फ्री मार्केट. ऑनलाइन भी है आई थिंक. मेरी जो के साइट पे आपको मिल जाएगा. दिस इज़ इन द शेड ब्राउन बाय द वे. Always use this with every lip combo because brown lip liners are a must. Today the lipstick that I used was this Hilary Rhoda Matte About You lipstick. This has a creamy formula. Looks great. It's also comfortable. The one thing that I love about bullet lipsticks is it does not stretch your lips or it doesn't make your lips feel dry. Look at that finish, guys. Last but not the least, we have a setting spray. Of course, Swiss Beauty का ये वाला setting spray सब जानते हैं. It is the most affordable setting spray. इसका fragrance थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है. So if you like fragrance free products, then don't go for this one. इनका और एक setting spray है in their Swiss Beauty Select range, जो है उनका glowy setting spray. I had made a video on this and I genuinely love this product. I think the Swiss Beauty Select glowy wala fixing spray that has the perfect mister, the perfect formula, because it gives you a really beautiful glow and it is fragrance free. So that one, if you want to buy, perfect. This one does its job. If you can tolerate a fragrance, then you can get this one. This is a palette that is great for contouring, highlighting and a blush. For a good setting powder, I don't have any in the affordable category, but if you can go a little out of your budget, a little up to the 400s, 500s, उस range में, then you can get this. Is the setting powder from Swiss Beauty. So these were all the products that I used today to create this makeup look. ये makeup look उतना कुछ खास नहीं हुआ because I wasn't feeling sporty enough to do something very dramatic on the eyes or the lips. तो simple ही रखा हमने. But these suggestions will help you to buy some products for yourself. I will link all of the products in the description again. So you can let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions about videos or makeup products that I should try, and we will meet in the next video. Bye.